What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. We headed out today to the Vaal. We decided to come and film a second episode of Vaal Dam. The level is 25% now, so it's really dry. I can show you the ground here. It is super dry. It's cracked. This is a marina. They usually store big yachts, boats here. So this is a big marina. I can show you. Look at this wall. I'm supposed to be drowning now. This wall is high. It's probably 5-6 meters above my head, and that's where the water level is supposed to be. So come with us. We're gonna take a couple of nice drone shots out of the air to show you guys how the water has subtracted, and we'll show you Vaal steel bridge. There you can see the water lines on the pillars, so you'll see how low the water is now. So come and enjoy an adventure with us. What's up, guys? We just arrived here in Vaal now. We're here at the steel bridge. The concrete pillars for the steel bridge is behind me here. Usually the water is all the way up there at 100%. Now you can see that this concrete pillar is standing on the dry land. It's not even in the water anymore. That's how low Vaal Dam is. So it's really low. They said this morning it was 25%. So yeah, we really need some rain. Vaal Dam needs to fill up.